Hey y'all, welcome to my channel Blooming Gusto Relish Life with me. This is Anurupa, and today here I am to share a beautiful, easy to go recipe to make ourselves relaxed, calm in the evening or in the brunch time. I mean, it's especially a go summer drink. It's cold coffee with ice cream. Let's hit the recipe in my video. And of course, if you like my video, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for new and further notifications. So stay tuned and keep watching. Okay, for today's recipe, we'll need some coffee, some vanilla ice cream, some milk powder, and sugar, which you can replace with like sorry, sugar can be replaced with any other sweetener like maple syrup or honey or any other type of sweetener according to your choice. So let's dig into the recipe now. Let's take 2 tablespoons of coffee, 1 tablespoon of milk powder, 4 teaspoons of sugar. Now let's take a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Let's add some water. We'll add a glass of water. Okay, we'll add 2 glasses of water. Now we'll mix it in a mixer grinder. So here it is, cold coffee. Let's serve it. Ato. Hmm? আমার দিকে করো। Here it is, a very soothing, relaxing summer drink, cold coffee with ice cream. I'll defreeze it for 5 minutes and I'll serve it cold. Keep watching. This is one of my favorite summer drinks. I also have it sometimes in the winters or maybe throughout the year whenever I want to feel more relaxed and calming. Do make this recipe at your home and do comment how was this recipe and enjoy your drink whenever you make this at home. Thanks for watching.